Come next month, depending on whether a baby is born to undocumented parents in Massachusetts or across the border in New Hampshire, will determine whether that baby becomes a U.S. citizen, following today's decision by the U.S. Supreme Court.
And today's decision is now just another procedural hurdle that we will have to overcome.
In January, President Trump signed an executive order stripping citizenship from future babies born to undocumented parents. Soon after, federal judges, including one in Boston, issued nationwide blocks on the president's order, saying it violated the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. Now, the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled those judges' orders cannot apply nationwide, but rather only in the 22 states that oppose the president's order.
And if we allow the president to use an executive order to dismantle the 14th Amendment, he can then do that with respect to any other amendment.
The bottom line of today's decision is that it makes it easier for the government to violate the law.
Northeastern law professor Jeremy Paul says the court's ruling will also apply to future presidents who might issue orders about the First Amendment, the Second Amendment, or other parts of the Constitution. Those potentially illegal orders will stay in place longer, he says, because opponents will have to fight them state by state.
When the Supreme Court ultimately decides, then the administration, of any party, will have to comply with what the Supreme Court says. But as you noted, that takes a long time.